In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Tradingview and trading. Tradingview is a powerful browser-based charting and social platform for analyzing financial markets. And by the end of this walkthrough you'll be comfortable navigating charts, adding tools, and exploring basic trading features. Start by signing up on the Tradingview website. Having an account lets you save your charts, indicators, and layout preferences, so your workspace is consistent every time you log in. Once you are set, open the charts by clicking Products and then Super Chart. This brings you to the main interface where you'll spend most of your time. Use the search bar at the top left to find the symbol you want to analyze. Whether it's a stock, a forex pair, a crypto asset, or an index. Right next to the symbol, open the time frame drop-down to switch views. Like 1 minute, 1 hour, or 1 day, shorter time frames show finer price action, while higher time frames help you see the bigger trend. To analyze price behavior, click the Indicators button in the top menu, labeled with the FX icon from here. Add tools like RSI or moving averages. Indicators will layer on your chart and help you quantify momentum, trend direction, or potential overbought and oversold conditions. On the left toolbar, you'll find drawing tools such as trend lines, Fibonacci retracement, and text. These help you mark support and resistance, measure pullbacks, and annotate ideas directly on the chart so your analysis stays organized and visual. Alerts are essential for staying on top of market moves. Click the clock icon on the right menu to set alerts based on price movements or indicator changes. This way, Tradingview notifies you when your criteria are met, even if you are looking at another chart or away from the screen. To keep track of multiple assets, use the watch list on the top right panel to create and manage a list of symbols you want to monitor. Grouping related markets can make scanning much faster. If you want to place trades through Tradingview, open the trading panel at the bottom to connect to supported brokers for direct trading. If you are practicing, select paper trading to use virtual money and build confidence without financial risk. For deeper analysis, choose the layout icon to view multiple charts on one screen, a paid feature that's useful for comparing timeframes or assets. You can also use the bar replay tool from the top menu to backtest ideas on historical data and refine your approach. Finally, leverage the long position and short position tools on the left to calculate risk-reward ratios by setting entry, stop, and target on the chart. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.